Pretty simple. It's a great job with great benefits and a lot of fun.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a physical job, right? So you're gonna be lifting from inside a cramped area, inside an airplane, right? You're gonna be pushing and pulling, but your body acclimates to that physicalness really quickly.
The average weight of the bags is anywhere from 30 to 55 pounds. And some of these weather conditions, are extreme, be it the heat or the cold. So you have to be prepared to do the job in both types of weather.
If we want to be anything out here, it's safe. We want to go home, and we want to go home the same way we came, right?
I've been able to experience a lot of extremes weather-wise, and working with the airline, you have to be flexible. You have to be resilient because every day is a different day, and where you're working, the physical conditions that you're working in, the people that you're working with will all change on a daily basis.
You have to be on time to make up your flight and your bags because the passenger is depending on you to run those bags to the final destination.
Well, as far as our work schedule, typically either night shift or a day shift is based on your seniority. And the longer you're with the company and the more seniority that you have, the more flexibility you have with what you want to choose.
If I would have to rate the number one thing out here is my ability to see the world, to take my family to see the world, to take my friends to see the world, and I mean the world.
United gives you the ability to become citizens of the world. You can be anywhere in 24 hours.
I go on flight to Puerto Rico and visit my family. I love it.
I've been pretty much everywhere.
Anything you want to be, you can be. It just matter of time and experience. I've been here for 16 years and I love what I do.
I've met some of the best individuals, and I feel very fortunate that I'm able to have a job that pays me to do what I do.